Hello everyone, today we will do review of chapter 5. Let's start with this question. Evaluate the expression without using calculator. It's 8 power 7 by 3. I can write 8 2 power 3. And what's the power whole is? 7 over 3. This 3 and 3 cancel, 2 power 7 left. That's it. 128. You can try this yourself. Look at this question number 3. Minus 27 to the power minus 2 by 3. 27 can be written as a 3 power 3 outside 3. Then whole power negative 2 by 3. Whenever the power is negative, it means the term in the denominator. It's a 1 over 3 power 3 negative to the whole power 2 by 3. I just bring the term in denominator. This 3 and 1 by 3 cancel, so you only left with negative 1 by 3 to the whole power 2. Which is that? 9. 1 by 9 is the answer. Next, it says find the real solution of the equation, round to the nearest 2 decimal place. We will try to solve question 4. X power 5. Subtract 17 on both sides. 35 minus 17. It's 18. X power 5 is 18. How to solve it? Taking both side power 1 by 5. 18 power 1 by 5. Let's calculate. 18 to the power 1 by 5. 1.782. We have to round off to 2 decimal places. So 1.78 approximately. 1.7. Okay. Now look at the question number 6. Whenever you remove the even power, you will get two answers. One is the positive, one is in negative. 16 to the power 1 by 4. What is 16? 16 is 2 power 4. And the whole power 1 by. This 4 and this 4 cancel, so plus minus 2 left. X plus 8. Subtract 8 on both sides. So plus minus 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8, negative 6. Minus 2 minus 8, minus 10. These are the two possible answers. Okay? Next, simplify the expression. We have to simplify. We can try this question. Question number 9. 1 over 2 minus square root, fourth root of 9. 9 can be written as a 3 square. And the power is 1 by 4. If you simplify, you will get 1 over 2 minus 3 power 1 by 2. Okay. What is that? 1 over 2 minus root 3. Rationalize it. How to rationalize? Multiply and divide by the term by changing the sign. So I multiply by this term. I will divide by this term. For what? 1 over 2 minus 3. If you simplify, you will get this. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 2 plus root 3 is the answer. Okay. You can try 11. Start solving this question 11. 48. Try to split 48. 8 6 are 48. Anything else? 16 3s are. So 16 3s are 48. What is root 16? 4. So 4 taken out, root 3 left. 4 2s are 8. 8 root 3 minus root 3. Both have root 3. I took it common. Here 8 left. Here minus 1 left. 8 minus 1 is 7. So your total answer is 7 square root 3. Okay. Simplify expression, assume all the variables as positive. So we have to keep the power positive here. 125 z power 9. 125 can be written as a 5 power 3. And then z power 9 is all this. And the whole power is 1 over 3. Cube root. This 3 and this 3 cancel. 5 here. 3 and 9 cancel. 2 here. 3 3s are 9. So 3. So you will get 5z cube. Here we will do this question. 10. Here z power 5's root. What you can take out from the root? Z power 4. 10 z power 4 times z. Here 40 can be written as a 4 into 10 and z. Square root of z square root of z power 4, z square. So inside is 10z only. Here square root of 4 is 2z square. We left with 10z inside. What is that? The square root of 10z is common. Z square minus 2z square, which is negative 1z square into root of 10z. Done. Next it says describe the transformation of f represented by the function g. We will do question 17. Fx is given, fx changed to gx. So always check what is multiplied with the x term. Outside addition, subtraction is the last transformation. Okay? Cube root of x changed to negative cube root x. Only the inside x changed to negative x. So that means it is a reflection across y-axis. Reflection across y-axis. Then minus 6. 6 unit down. Done. Let the graph of g be the reflection in the y-axis, followed by the translation 7 unit to the right of the graph of fx. It's a cube root of x. Write the root. So cube root of x is going to translate with the new function. Let's see. It starts with cube root of x. Reflection in the y-axis. So that means your x changed to negative x. Followed by translation 7 units right. 7 units right means your x changed to x minus 7. Then that's it. 7 units to the right. You can simplify more if I open the brackets. Negative x plus 7. Yeah. Okay. Use a graphing calculator to graph this. Identify the vertex and direction of a direction that a parabola opens. If you try to draw the graph, you will see the graph will be this. At x 0, y value is here. If I put y0, x is 8. It's 8. Now if you put x as a y as a 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 and 8 16. So add 2, let's go up. It's like this. Okay. So what is the vertex? The vertex is 8, 0. Direction of open up, right open. Right open. Now we have a next question. It says use graphing calculator to identify the radius and intercepts. This is the equation of circle. Equation of circle with center at 0, 0 and radius square. The square of the radius is 81. If the square of radius 81, so radius will be 9. So circle with the center at 0, 0. Here. Total radius is 9. So that means from the center to this is 9, this is 9, this is 9 and this is 9. Remaining it's a direction. This side is a right side. So positive 9, 0, upside positive 9, 0, negative 9, 0, 0, negative 9. These are the intercepts. Intercepts are 9, 0, negative 9, 0, 0, 9, 0, negative 9. And the radius is 9. Done. Next is solving the equation and then check the solution. Let's try 23. 6x to the power 2 by 3 equals to 36. 6x to the power 2 by 3 equals to 36. 36 can be written as a 6 power 2. 6x to the power 2 by 3. Taking square root both sides. If you take square root both sides, you will take plus minus 6 because root and square cancel. Now take cube both sides. If you take cube both sides, you will get 216. X is equals to plus minus 216 by 6. So divide by 6. 36 again. You can check the calculation. Okay. In this case, how to solve it? Divide by 4 both sides. Taking cube both sides. Subtract 1. Divide by 2. 62 is the answer. Okay. Next is solve the inequality. We have to solve inequality here. Which question you want to prove? Let's start with 25. If I multiply by positive term, inequality remains same. Okay. So I divide by 2 here, which is a positive number. Inequality is same. Then I take square root both sides. I took square both sides. Now add 8, 152. X is less than 152. But there is a restriction in this. I can't put any number less than 8. So the total answer is X lies between 8 to 152. Okay. Next. In a tsunami, the wave speed can be modeled by this. This is the speed of the wave. Where D is the depth of the water. Estimate the depth of the water. We have to calculate D value when the speed is 200 meters. So speed S is square root 9.8 D. Speed is 200. 9.8 D. You need a calculator here. So you will get the depth is approximately 63.887. Okay. Next, fx is given, gx is given. We have to find product, division at a point 2 also. Product f g of x. Just multiply the two terms. 2 times the square root of 3 minus 6. 4 times cube root of 3 minus 6. Just 8 3 minus 6 to the power half plus 1 by. It's 8. 3 minus 6 to the power 5 by 6. If you start the divide, f over g of x. F of x is 2 square root 3 minus 6. That's a 4 cube root 3 minus 6. 2 to the 4, 1 by 2. And then bring this term to the top. 3 minus 6 to the power half minus 1 by 3, which is 1 by 2. 3 minus 6 to the power 1 by 6. You can substitute 2 here and calculate the remaining. Okay? Fx is given, gx is given. We have to find f plus g, f minus g, and the domain. F is a polynomial, g is a polynomial. You are just adding them. So no effect on domain. Domain is all real number. In the subtraction, domain is again all real. Okay. Find the inverse of the function, then graph it. Inverse. Start with the 30. In the question number 30, fx is equals to negative 1 by 2x plus 10. Replace fx with y. Then interchange x and y and solve for y. Solve for y. Yeah. Minus x. Okay. This is the inverse function. Inverse function of the question number 30. Try 31. In the question number 31, fx is replaced with y, x here plus 8. It says you have to choose x greater than equals to 0. Replace y with x with y, then x minus 8, y square. You will get square root. You will get square root of x minus 8, and it says that the value is positive, so the inverse is square root of x minus. This is the inverse function. Okay. Now we have to check whether they are inverse or not. What you have to check? Find a composition f of gx and g of fx. F as it is, gx is negative half x plus 3. In the f function, replace x with this. Negative 1 by 2x plus. If you multiply, outside is plus. If you open, 2 and 2 cancel, minus minus plus x. Minus 6 plus 6. So you only get x. Here, g of fx. Fx is minus 2x plus 6. Open the brackets. Minus 1 by 2. This is minus 2x plus 6. Outside is 3. Negative negative cancel. 2 and 2 cancel. X. 2 3s are 6. So minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Only x left here. So g of fx is x. In this case, f of g and g of f both are equals to x. So yes, they are inverse of each other. But if you try for this, it will not come to be an inverse. The last question we have: on a certain day, the function that the US dollar in the term of British pound is D. D is equals to dollar is equals to 1.587 pounds, where D represents the US dollar, P represents the British pound. Find the inverse function. So D is 1.587p. I want a P value basically. P is equals to D over 1.587. Then it says find the number of British pound, find P, which is equal to 100 US dollars when the D is 100. So 100 over 1.587. Calculate what you will get. You will get approximately 62.001. Approximately 62 pounds. It's 63. P is approximately 63 pounds. Okay, so done. So chapter 5 review is done. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.